to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with Hermes. I'm also obsessed with luxury skincare and luxury fashion. You guys, let's get right into the video. I'm going to give you guys an update because I had purchased these heels last year and I did an unboxing for you, but I wanted to review them for you because I think it's about time that I start singing their praises. So these are Hermes Legend heels. They are similar to the Legend Oran sandals where they have like the H top and then but they're wedges. So they have this heel, they have this buckle. In this case, they have the backs. And I have to say, these heels are amazing. Like, I'm obsessed with the Hermes Legend heels. Now, I have to laugh a little bit, not at these heels, but just, I have a dog named Legend and he's gonna be in some of the pictures, but when I bought these heels last year, honestly, these heels helped me name my dog Legend. I think, these are legends. I wanna say this, when it comes to Hermes products, now, I love how understated this brand is. And when you buy Hermes products, they're going to be understated, like I said, but they're also gonna have that quality aspect to them. And that's what these heels have. I don't know what Hermes has done to make these heels the most comfortable shoes I have ever owned. Now, what I have to say is, even though these have a heel to them, I am able to walk long amounts of time with these shoes. I know wedges are supposed to be like more comfortable than the average heel, but there is something about these heels that just makes them even more comfortable than your average wedge. They are so cushiony. Like, so if you look at these heels here, you'll see like the Hermes, it's imprinted here, it'll say Hermes, which is like, obviously you want it to say Hermes Paris. But if I press down here, it like indents and there's a lot of padding in here. And I really believe that adds to a lot of comfort to this heel. Then of course, what I love about the wedge is that it's also a very sleek kind of wood teak wedge to it. And then the bottom doesn't have any grip to it, but it's not also made of leather. Like sometimes with these luxury heels, the bottoms will be made of like a very thin layer of leather and you have to be delicate and resole them rather quickly. But these have like I don't know if it's plastic, but it's not like a thin type of leather, if that makes sense. It's a hard material that you're not gonna have to replace the sole of these soon. And then you can even see the leather that these are made out of. So in here, this is all leather. And if you could see how thick the padding of leather is here, like, look at that. That's like an inch of leather or more of just padding. And that even goes up all the way. If you could see, that's all thick, nice padded leather. And it just makes these shoes so comfortable. And the type of leather that it is beyond soft and quality. And I think it just makes these shoes look beautiful just with the type of heel that they made it look so chic. And then of course, the actual just leather that they chose to use is buttery soft. And then the way the H looks, any fashion lover is gonna know that these are Hermes shoes because I feel like everybody's so familiar with the Orans that they'll immediately notice the H, but with a little bit of a twist, a little bit of a more elevated look. I definitely recommend these to literally everybody, even if you have like feet problems. Like even if you have a bit of a foot problem where you're like, oh my God, I can only wear comfortable shoes. Try these, I promise you, they are the most comfortable shoes ever. Like I was able to walk the entire Philadelphia Flower Show, which was huge by the way, in FDR Park in Philadelphia, wearing these without a single problem. No blisters, no nothing. I've never even had blisters in these shoes. There was never a break-in period, nothing. I will say I did have a hard time finding the perfect fit. I'm a US size 7. These do run differently in size. So I'm a US true size 7. I had to end up taking a 36.5. And I tried on many different sizes in store. Thank God I was able to buy these in store. They are hard to find. As all Hermes products are, you're gonna have to kind of go in the store and see what they have available. At least try certain ones on so you can get a good idea for your size, because these do run a little tricky. Like I said, I'm a size 7 like always, but these I was a 36.5. So maybe they run a little smaller. I do have a narrow foot. I do think these run a little narrow, but again, the leather might conform to your foot, so just be a little careful. But if you're looking for quality, comfort, understated, chic, elegance, this is your heel for life. I've been wearing them a lot. You can't even tell. I'll have these shoes forever. I don't regret purchasing them, and I'm just really happy to give you guys a year update. I still love these, and I just know I'll have these heels for the rest of my life. So if you're interested in buying these, definitely I say go for it. If you are interested in luxury product reviews, fashion, especially skincare, definitely subscribe to my channel below. I would love to have you as a subscriber, and follow me on Instagram for updates on what I'm buying, what I'm doing, but most importantly, subscribe and hit the notification bell below to be reminded every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. Catch you in the next video. Bye.